やあ、元気ですか？私のクラスへようこそ。In first video of our Japanese language learning course, we have seen that there are three scripts in Japanese language. Hiragana, Katakana and Kanji. Hiragana and Katakana are kana scripts and Kanji pictograms. Okay? Now today we will start to write and read Hiragana. Actually reading Hiragana and Katakana is same, but script writing is different. Phonetics are same of both the kana scripts, but their writing is different. Their symbols are different. So today we will see the symbols or phonetic characters or alphabets of Japanese language in Hiragana. Okay? So this is the chart of Hiragana script. Okay? So from right side we will start to read. From right side, here the first column is of vowels of Japanese language. Okay? So in Japanese language there are 5 vowels. So I am going to read, you try to repeat it. So first is A. A. Second is E. E. Third U. U. Fourth is A. A. And fifth vowel is O. O. Understood? These first 5 symbols are vowels in Japanese language. Okay? Then this second vertical line is of K sound or K sound. Okay. Now we have seen in the right hand side the first column is of vowels. Okay? So we are going to learn those vowels first today. One by one I will tell you and you try to follow the stroke order, because already I have told you that the stroke order of writing Japanese scripts is very important. Okay? So let us start from the vowels in Japanese language. Okay? In Japanese language, it is called as boin. Boin. First we will see in Hiragana. Okay? So, first vowel is A. A. In Devanagari, if you want to, then A. And how to write in Japanese then? First, one short horizontal line, then little bit curve shaped vertical line, and then the curve like this. This is A. This is A. If with stroke you want to understand, then we will write first short horizontal line, then long vertical little bit curve shape, and then in this. Okay? If you want to understand the stroke order, then we can do like this. This is first. First. This is second. Okay? And this is third. Okay? So this is your A. This is A in Japanese language. Understood? Pronunciation understood? A. What is pronunciation? A. Now second is E. E. And how to write? Simply take and leave. And this one. Very easy. Here if you want to understand the stroke order, then and leave it. And like this. Very simple. If stroke order you want to see, then leave this. This is arrow, first stroke. this second stroke. Okay? This is E. Pronunciation is E. What is the pronunciation? E. E. Okay? Now, third vowel or bowing in Japanese language. Okay? So, what is third? U. Actually not U. It is U. O. In Devanagari, O. And in Hiragana, how to write then? One short slanting line and O. So if you want to understand stroke order, then one short line and O. What is the pronunciation? O. And what is stroke order? First this short line, this is first stroke, and then curve. O. Pronunciation is O, not U. O. Okay? Now, fourth one. Fourth is A. In Devanagari, if you want to write A. A. Pronunciation is A. And in Japanese, first little bit slanting line and then this is A. This is A. If you want to understand stroke order, then first short slanting line, then as like in Z English alphabet, little bit like that. Okay? And pronunciation is A. Pronunciation is A. Okay? If you want to understand stroke order, then first short slanting line, then okay, understood? This is, if you keep here your hand, you have to pick up your hand here only, no break in between. Okay, so this is your A in Hiragana script. Okay, now last vowel O. Simple. O. Pronunciation is same. O. Okay, and how to write? First, then, and here we have to write the slanting short line first. But here this slanting line, this slanting short line, you have to write lastly. If you want to know the stroke order, then first small line and then as we write M in Devanagari, little bit similar of that, and then this small slanting line. Okay. Then what is stroke? This is first stroke. First. In this way only we have to go, not in this way. And arrow is only for the direction, okay? Not to write there. And then keep your pen here and directly pick up at here. Okay? And lastly this. This is your first stroke, this is second stroke, and the direction is like this. And this is last, third stroke. Can't go like this. We have to write in this way only. Okay, understood then? How to write O? Stroke order of O. Okay, then what we learned today? Vowels in Hiragana. Okay, so first is A. A. Then E. E. This is U. U. This is A. And lastly O. Okay, understood? Now these are the vowels. Now here we will stop. You practice this for 1 week. In next video, I will bring the K sound or K sound, you can say. Okay, so you practice this. Now homework time. After each video, I will give you homework. So today's homework is, in last lecture we had discussed that what is the name of Japan in Japanese language and what do you call to Japanese language in Japanese language. So write down the answer in comment box. Okay? Till then, you practice to pronounce and to write. Here there are stroke order also. Okay? Understood? Sayonara. Bye.